Most businesses only message customers when they want something, a payment, a follow up, or a reminder, and customers can feel that. But the brands people remember are those brands who show up even when they are not selling anything. In this video, I am creating a customer appreciation WhatsApp broadcast where you send thank you messages, festive wishes, or milestone updates automatically without pitching or pushing, as this is about relationship and not about conversions. So let us focus on my screen to set this up properly. At first, I will show you the test broadcast that I have sent to myself. So I will open my WhatsApp chat, and inside this chat you can see here I have sent this broadcast to this particular chat. Hello Jai Tripathi, we just wanted to take a moment to say thank you for being a valued part of Brightness Solutions. Your trust and continued support means a lot to us, and we truly appreciate the relationship we have built together. Wishing you and your family good health, happiness, and continued success. So here you can see this is the broadcast that I have sent to my customers to appreciate the relationship that we have built together. Now I will show you how exactly I have created this broadcast with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So to create this broadcast, first of all, I will help you navigate to this broadcast page of Pabbly Chatflow. For that, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow. With this, you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In here on the right corner, you can see we have got these two different options, sign in and sign up free. If you have put serious effort into building your business, then automating the repetitive work is the next logical step. With Pabbly's yearly or lifetime plan, you can automate small tasks and free up time for the things that actually need your attention. If you decide to go ahead, you can use the coupon code on my screen JAIPC to get a special discount. And if you just want to explore our application first, then you just have to click on the sign up free button where you will get 100 free credits every month. And if you are already a Pabbly user like me, then we just have to click on the sign in button to continue. Then you will get directed inside this olives page of Pabbly where Pabbly has this 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, as we are going to create a broadcast, for that we have to access this Pabbly Chatflow. That's why you have to click on this access now button. Then you will get directed inside the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Inside this dashboard on the top here you can see my WhatsApp number is visible, and in order to use Pabbly Chatflow you just have to add your WhatsApp number in here, and you can do that by clicking on this add WhatsApp number given on the right side here, and you can select any of these two different methods, WhatsApp Connect method and manual token connect method, to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. On the left side here you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that you just have to check out those videos that I have added in the description box of this video. Then after you have added your WhatsApp number, to start creating a broadcast, you have to click on this broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow given on the left column here. And then inside this broadcast page you can see these are all the broadcasts that I have created and scheduled for myself. Now to create a new broadcast, we just have to click on this add broadcast button. But before that, I would like to share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. Pabbly has an amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members where individuals share their ideas and ask questions to our experts. And here our team member will reply to your queries as soon as you will post them. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for that you just have to check out the link of this community that I have added in the description box. Now I will head back to this broadcast of Pabbly Chatflow. In here, to start creating a broadcast, we will click on this add broadcast button. Now we will start creating our broadcast. So first of all, we have to select our broadcast type. For that, I will select this broadcast campaign, and next we will give a name to our broadcast. So I will name my broadcast as this customer appreciation message broadcast. Then from this contact list here, we have to select that particular contact list to which contacts I want to send this broadcast. So in here, I can also select multiple contact list by clicking on them. But if I want to select all contact list at once, then I can just go with this particular option, select all contact list. So in here I will select my contact list, and then we will move towards the select message type. And inside this message type we have got these two different options, pre-approved template message and this regular message. So if I will go with this pre-approved template message, then here I can select already approved template message that I have created also with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if I will go with this regular message, in here I just have to enter the message which I want to send directly to my customers. But there is a condition with this regular message message, I can send this regular message only to those customers who were active with me for the 24 hours. But there is no such conditions with this pre-approved template message. And in here, we have to click on this select WhatsApp template message to select our template message. So here, this is the template customer appreciation broadcast that I have already created for myself. So here I have selected it. Now how you can create a template for yourself, that I will also tell you in this video. But first of all, let us complete this broadcast. So inside this body field 1, you can see here I have created this dynamic field, which means that with the help of this dynamic field, I can easily change name of my customers. For that, I just have to apply this $sign in front of this text. And after that, as this is the exact same contact custom field that I have created to store the names of my customer, that's why when I will send this message to my customers, instantly their name will get mapped in place of this particular $sign name. So I will click on this done button as I have successfully selected my template. Now in here, we can also test if this WhatsApp broadcast looks perfect or not. So for that, in here we have to enter the username. So here I will enter my name, and in here I will also enter my phone number to test if this WhatsApp broadcast is working properly or not. So here I have entered my number. Now I will click on this send test message button. Then we will open my WhatsApp account to see how this broadcast will look to our customers. So in here you can see this is how my customers will receive this particular message when I would have successfully completed this broadcast. So I will go back in here and let us complete my broadcast. So for that, I can also schedule my broadcast for later, but if I want, I can also send it instantly to my customers. But if I want to schedule this broadcast, then I have to click on this yes button, and from this particular calendar given here, we have to select that particular date and time at which we want to send our broadcast. So from here, I will select this 31st of December as my broadcast date, and for time, I will select it as 6 p.m. So here I have also selected the date and time. Now I will click on this OK button, and then we just have to click on this add broadcast button. Then you will see that instantly our broadcast has been scheduled successfully. Now at this particular date and time, this broadcast will get sent to all of my customers that I have added inside my list. So this is how you can create a broadcast for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now as discussed, I will show you how you can create a template for yourself to create such amazing broadcast. So to create a template, you just have to go on this left side here. You can see this template is visible to us. So from here, you have to select this template list, and inside this list, to start creating a template for yourself, you have to click on this add template button given on the right side here. In here, we have to fill these following fields to successfully create our template. First of all, for this template category, you can select it either as marketing, utility, or authentication. So if you want to promote anything to your customers, then you have to select this marketing. But if you want to inform your customer about something, then you can choose this utility. So I will select this particular marketing, and in here we have to give a name to our template. But there is the condition with the name that the name can only be in lowercase alphanumeric characters and underscores. Special characters and white spaces are not allowed. So here this example is given to us. So I will copy this example from here and I will paste it in here. So you can see I have successfully named my template message. Now for this language, we can select any language we want, but here I will select this English as my language. You can also select any language as per your preference. From this template type, we have to select type of our template. We can either select this text, image, video, document, location, carousel, or anything else from this list. But the template that I have sent to my customer, here for that I have selected this text as the type of my template, and after selecting this type, you can enter header if you want, but this is optional. So if you want to enter a header for yourself, then you are allowed to a maximum of 60 characters, and inside this format you have to enter the body of your template. So here let us enter this text. This is a test. This is how the body of my template will look to my customer, and here you can also enter this footer if you want. So like if I will enter this text by inside this footer, you can see this is how this footer will look to my customer. And from here you can also choose interactive actions like none, call to actions, quick replies, or all. So if you want to add call to actions, then you have to select this, and in here you can enter this text shop now, and after that inside this static URL you can enter the link of your website so that your customer can directly click on this button to shop from your website. But if you want to select this quick replies, then for that in here you can enter this text interested so that your customer can click on this button to give a reply to you. If you do not want to use any interactive actions at all, then you have to go on this none. And after that, when you have successfully entered all of these following details, you just have to click on the submit button to submit your template for approval by Meta. And Meta can take whatever amount of time as per their policy to review your template. Then when Meta has successfully reviewed a template, then you will be able to use these templates for your business. So that is it for this video. In this video, I have successfully shown you how you can create a broadcast for yourself and also how you can create a template for yourself. If you watched this video till end, then I will suggest you to buy a lifetime or yearly subscription of Pabbly with my coupon code JAIPC to get exciting discounts. Thank you for watching this video. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp chatbots to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. And for your queries, you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check up this following website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.